Meet the SureDataPro Pain diagnosis wizard that helps you diagnose better. Endodontic diagnosis in 3 screens. Start with the tooth and the patient's pain history, the clinical examination, percussion, palpation, mobility, probing depth. Every finding the AAE 2020 protocol asks for, captured on one screen. Now verification, thermal response, the strongest signal for pulp vitality, bite test for cracked tooth syndrome, selective anesthesia to localize, and your radiographic findings. Each test narrows the diagnosis and raises the wizard's confidence score in real time. One click, diagnosis, procedure, confidence score, next step. Just one of 13 clinical tools inside SureDataPro, the complete dental EHR built for Indian clinics, free at suredatapro.com